Look now here, everybody has their favorite food, but mine is a bit special. And I also don't think you will be able to make it the right way. And it is made out of 3 ingredients. We are making Rezance Tvarohom. Swishing by, we have the noodles. Don't forget the Tvaroh. Apparently you call it
Cottage Cheese.
It looks like this. For the best experience, you have to get the fat one. It is necessary. And the bacon. The 3 musketeers standing together. But I hear you. There's something missing. We also need the salt. 3.5. Of course, sharpen the knife. Get the water. Put it on the stove and turn on the heat. Yes, and cover it with something. The winter is coming. We want to save the energy. Meanwhile, get the Tvaroh. Get a big enough bowl and throw it in. More Tvaroh. There's never enough.
Beep.
Smush it like you mean it until it's all done and nice looking like this. And now for the bacon. Wonderful piece, let's cut it. Oh, it has some mold on it. I guess it should be fine. But this time I'm not gonna risk it. Put it back into fridge for a later trial. What now? It's super late. Hopefully the shop is still open. If we miss one ingredient, it is over. Don't forget to turn the thing off. Yes. It's super dark. Soon they are closing, man. Let's go. Oh yes, about it. Actually, I went there and it was closed. We don't have the bacon. What now? Oh, damn it. Let's do this without it, I guess, or use the... Oh, what is happening? What? Nice. Luckily the ghost gave us the meat. Now cut it into wonderful small pieces. And yes, of course, the shop was actually open. I didn't find it in garage. Big surprise. Put the bacon on the pan. Turn on the heat. Check the water, it is boiling already. Fastly put the handle on and salt the water. Now for the noodles. I'm cooking for 2 people, by the way. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
3.5. Now we have the bacon simmering wonderfully and the noodles cooking as well. Put the Tvaroh into the microwave and heat it just a bit. You don't want to cook it, it's just really cold, so when you put everything together, you don't want to have a cold meal. Now taste if the noodles are done. It is done, my dears. It has nice color, yes, indeed. Get rid of the water. Mix the Tvaroh and noodles. Nice and steamy. Put it on the table. Serve the noodles with bacon and salt if necessary. By the way, I always do.
It's actually so good, actually. Oh my god, that's the best thing ever.
And I can say for sure, this is one of the most tastiest food I will never get sick of. Definitely try it if you have the option in the future. But if you are an American, I have no idea how you will get the Tvaroh part. We actually like it so much that 5 days later, we had another bunch. If you enjoyed, like the video. And if you are new here, don't forget to join us and I will see you next time. Take care.